Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest update which was released by Reliance Industries on April 5th. So friends, we are updating everything about payments bank like payment gateway companies, Info Edge, and another one which is Bank Range. And friends, today that NUE will be jointly promoted by Reliance Industries and Infibeam subsidiary company with two global giants like Facebook and Google, in which Reliance having 40% and other three players are expected to own about 20%. That means Infibeam Avenue and Facebook and Google. So see here, the main part we are going to see is that Reliance Industries helping Infibeam and taking their support on payment systems. In this way, those two companies are in win-win situation, and Reliance Industries linked with Facebook, Google for win-win situation on global overseas payments. Here, if you see, Reliance Industries proposed new umbrella entity for payment services to make it a global payments player, said to familiars with the matter. And friends, Oil to Retail Collaborate, which also runs Geo Payments Bank, will likely to offer payment services overseas, profit, probably pitting it against Visa and MasterCard in some markets if it gets the operating license. So friends, see how much big Infibeam is now. Can you imagine if it gets a license for this NUE throughout the world? So that's why I am mentioning to invest in Infibeam Avenue mainly because of this. If Reliance has get this NUE or payments throughout the world, then it will be a extraordinary thing. We cannot imagine how big it will be, and it's present also what you called promoters increasing stack in what you call Infibeam and expecting the positive movement from 42 rupees to 43 is the best buying range. And see here, Reliance has already stated owning a long-term plan with NUE which would generate many leads for the future. And so these two companies also will get benefit. And this is focusing their global ambition. So friends, this is not only India but also working on global payment systems. And recently Infibeam also connected with Saudi Arabia, two top banks for their internet services. So friends, in my view, entering into Infibeam Avenue at 40 to 43 is the best thing I am thinking. So friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel friends.